Walk backwards to me.
Another guy on the couch to the left.
All right.
We're gonna send that dog in.
43D 9190.
Hands. Come in. Oh.
August 4th, 2023. Watch a warrant service turn when an unarmed man is shot in bed within seconds.
Police department, come to the door. It's locked. Donovan, if you don't come to the door, I'm gonna kick it in. If I have to come in there and get you, you're gonna get tased. Come to the door and talk to me. Do it now. Come to the door. Open it up. Show me your hands. Hands up. Face away from me. Face away from me. Hands up. Walk backwards to me. Who else is in here? Huh?
Oh, shoot.
Okay, turn around. Turn around.
Got another person sitting there on the
He's got a in his front waistband.
Don't move. Don't move.
Chill, cause my people
Well,
just...
stop moving.
I
Stop
ain't nothing
moving.
to do with you.
Okay.
This way.
Yeah.
I'll just be entertained real quick, okay? Who else is in here? How many people?
You want to come up here?
You was sleeping in the room.
Okay, relax. Stop pulling away from me.
I'm not pulling with it.
Another guy on the couch to the left.
All right. Come on up out of here.
Where's he at?
Who's done? Who's done?
Whose apartment is this?
The homeless.
Who's your homie?
I went blue.
Who?
Blue.
How old are you, man?
19.
Okay. Widen your stance for me.
Who else is in the
Back up
apartment?
this way. Sorry.
Just you two?
Coming this way. Keep coming this way.
We were just trying to get some sleep. We don't know nothing about it.
Huh?
We were just sleeping. We don't know if anybody's
I thought I was going to be sure I did, but it's...
It's in his waist, man.
Oh, yeah. I see. I see.
Don't we have Dodrell come around?
No.
We just wait for a canine to get here.
Yeah, we'll have him hold that.
Is there anybody else in the apartment?
Well, we're gonna send the dog in here in a second, so if he doesn't come
I
out.
don't know.
So there's someone else in the apartment. Cool. He's gonna get bit by a dog. So if he's in there, tell us that he's in there.
Please, you're inside. Make yourself known to
How do you not know who's in the apartment that you're
He
in?
was asleep. They could have
We're
left
sending
him
a
out.
canine in a second.
That's ridiculous. You know who's in your apartment. DV and a 58 for improper. It's not going to bite you. It might bite whoever's in the apartment that don't want to come out. It's not going to bite you.
Police Department Canine Unit, you're inside now. Stand out now. Send this dog. Come out now.
Whoa. Hands, hands.
I'll move up.
Okay, I'm with you. I'm with you.
Somebody got taser.
He's got doors shut. Doors shut. No, no.
There's 2 windows. AC unit. Last one.
We're gonna send that dog in.
43D 9190.
Hands.
Come in.
Hands. Oh,
9190.
he's got some in his hand. Some in his hand. Hands, hands, hands. Crawl out here. Crawl out. Crawl out. Get your hands up. All right, cover me. I'm gonna go in.
I got you.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
But I mean,
I need cuffs. I'm out of cuffs. Hands behind your back. Do it now. Hands behind your back. Call for a 24. Hands.
4310 started at 24. No, the officer votes.
All right. Glove up. Start rendering aid.
hey, grab some gloves.
Don't move, bud.
That's my thing. I'll take the scene. You just worry about everybody else.
Pat him down. Pat him down. Make sure he's good.
Move up special service over there for officer support.
Just get over and start rendering.
Hold on, bud. Hold on, bud.
All right. Let's get him out to the medic.
You want to carry him out?
Yep.
We're coming
We're coming out. Coming out.
We're
Watch
coming
out.
out with them. We need those guys detained in there. Yep. Or in a car.
1, 2. 1, 2.
I got a chest seal.
104 and I believe it's high 150 are about to be pulling up.
When they get him down,
I cannot. Just get under his arm. Let's
grab
get
his arms. When they get him down, go secure the witnesses for me, please.
Okay.
I got it. I got it. Okay. Get him over here in the grass. Can we get him up in the grass? All right, this is good. Where's he hit? In the stomach? Chest seal? Do we have it through and through it all?
I don't think so.
Who's involved?
Ricky.
Okay.
Everybody
Somebody?
else is a witness. Is there a exit? There's no exit.
No exit?
So he was laying like this, so
Okay.
it probably went up.
We got a medic coming for you, Donovan.
Keep breathing, buddy. Keep breathing.
Come on, damn it. Where's that? Where are we at?
Right here. Right here.
Okay.
We got a medic coming for you.
Hey,
Okay.
I need your officer support. Get Ricky.
Get him out of here.
Get Ricky out of
Stay
here.
with him.
Anywhere else?
No, just one.
One shot? Okay.
Yeah, just one.
Yeah, one.
Nothing through and through, right?
Nope.
All right.
We got a medic
Come
coming
on,
for you.
bud. Hey. Hey.
Come on, bud.
Hey. Come on.
Hey.
That's 45.
Come on, buddy.
They're right there.
Come on, bud.
Come on, buddy.
Donovan. Hey. Come on, buddy.
Come on. You got it?
Go ahead. Make sure we're rotating.
You can send the medic in as soon as they get here.
We got both witnesses secured, right?
Yeah.
All right. Come on, buddy. He's moving. That's good. That's good.
Still breathing.
Okay. You're doing good, buddy. Come on. You're doing good. Come on, Donovan. Just be prepared. Be prepared to get those cuffs off him if they need it. So.
One in the abdomen.
Sorry, do you want this red tape?
Probably went breathing. Straight up.
There we go. That's good. That's
Come
good.
on, Donovan. We got you, buddy.
Keep fighting.
Hey, we get the cuffs off.
Yep.
Yep, absolutely. Let's roll.
Anybody else need to be secured?
Smith, what car are you?
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
All right. Medics are here. Where's the shit?
Stomach.
Stomach. Nothing on the back.
No exit. No exit.
Okay. All right. So there anything? We'll roll 'em on it.
Come on, bud.
All right. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Come on, bud.
That's all set.
Yeah, probably.
A little bit higher, or is he good there?
Go up a little bit. Go up a little bit.
Just a little bit.
That's my 12 very critical.
All right.
Come on, Donovan.
There are 2 officer cars that are on the medic falling down.
You guys going to Grant?
They're all from your phone.
20 years old, he said?
Yeah, 20 years old.
All right, we're taking off.
Yep.
Ready, Max? So when he...
Hey, who are the other witnesses?
So, they have the medic waiting for my partner to follow.
No, officer-wise.
Me, Jack,
I'm following.
Chance.
Where did they take him?
I'm not sure which hospital he's at, man.
How will you not know you were there? Oh my God.
I was not here when it happened.
Yeah, but you guys have police radios. Hey, ma'am, hold on. Oh my God. What is your name, ma'am?
My name is Rebecca Duran. I'm his mom. Oh my God. How did they call his girlfriend and not me? Oh my God.
Durant.
Duran.
Okay, no T.
Oh my God.
What is your son's name?
Donovan Lewis. He's f***ing mentally ill. Oh my God.
Do you have, just to be clear, we're still trying to identify the people involved.
Oh,
okay?
I know it's him.
Okay.
They police called her.
What is Donovan's phone number or date of birth?
51402. Just an apartment. I know it's him. Oh my God.
And what apartment does he live in? Do you know?
I don't know the number. It's my phone.
Okay.
It's the corner in the middle.
Okay. And how did you receive the call?
His girlfriend called me.
So she called you?
The police called her and said that he died and they revived him. And then they were still working on him and he was unresponsive. Oh my God. I know I don't know more than you. So
No, you do. We do. There's a process.
I know.
Let me go talk to the lieutenant to make sure that we can give you certain information. Give me 1 second, okay? And let me just make sure, okay? What we don't want is a whole bunch of people.
I know there's no problems with me and him.
No.
I'm not going to
What
hurt
I'm saying,
anybody.
no. We don't want like 100 people showing up to the hospital and all that
understand.
stuff. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, just be patient with me. I promise you, I'll get you out of here as quickly as I can and get you where you need to be. Okay.
Mel black.
Yeah, he's biracial.
Biracial?
Yeah, black and white. Mom is white.
Biracial. 20 years old.
I'm just going to let her know that somebody will come talk to her whenever they're ready. I don't want to leave her hanging. I mean, it is her son, so. So a detective will come out down here and talk to you. They're the ones that have to release the information to you. Okay, so I just ask that you be patient. There's a process to all of this.
I can't even walk over that way.
No, I can't let you walk over there, honey. Is empathetic.
Was it in his apartment or outside?
I can't divulge any of that information. Again, there's a process, and we have to do everything right so that there's transparency, that their scene is preserved, and everything is done right for the best interest of everyone. Okay. So a detective will come talk to you. I know it's going to be hard.
But what I just want to know is what hospital is that? Like, if he's not here, can I? This can wait.
Well, again, that it's way above me because it's a detective. Okay, once the detectives are called out, it's their scene. No matter if I'm a sergeant or not, I don't.
He's still alive, and I can see him.
Okay, I can't divulge any of that information. That's why I have to have a detective come. They're rolling in. I will get somebody. I promise you. I want you to be where you need to be as quickly as possible. Okay. Just pull forward. Can you guys just step over here for a second, please?
Later, a grand jury indicted former officer Ricky Anderson. He was charged with murder, reckless homicide. Case is pending. Lewis's family has also filed a civil lawsuit. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.